Hi, I'm Radhika. Wow, it is so beautiful to see so many beautiful souls gathered here together today to receive the blessings from Divine. ऐसे तो आप चंडीगढ़ वाले बड़े ही लकी हो यार, जो आप लोग को तो स्माइल्स हर वीक अटेंड करने को मिल जाता है. You know, when I read the messages that are posted on the group and see the videos that people share on the experiences that they've had, I feel so surprised and happy, and I feel so blessed. Shukrana, Shukrana, Shukrana. वैसे even we are lucky enough because at such a young age we are being educated on this science beyond science. After knowing this real science, I feel so rich and prosperous in my life suddenly. कितनी बड़ी गलती कर जाते अगर इस साइंस को सुपरस्टिशन मानकर भूल जाते. You know, initially even I used to find meditation very difficult. ऐसा लगता था आँख बंद करो और उसके बाद क्या देखो, म्यूज़िक पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो या अपनी थॉट पे या ब्रीदिंग पे, कैसे करो यार. बट अब समझ आया that this is the simplest and the magical thing. And this is the biggest secret and key to happiness. How a negative thought changes our urja and the other person's urja as well. And on the other hand, how sending energy full of love and blessing someone
Charismatic and selfless, one among many, she came in contact with Brahmgyan terminology through Sant Bhupesh Ji. Through him, she learned the simple lessons of life and tried to apply the same on herself, and was encouraged by him to make her peer group follow the same principles of life with ease and care to make their lives better. Mrs. Monica Singhal then invited a few of her friends to listen to her. Then, friends of friends joined the group, and they all saw a drastic change in their lives due to the lessons they learnt and the new hopes in their lives. Alongside, Mrs. Monica Singhal, being a spiritual healer, started her journey of meditation through her guru, Mrs. Jharna Sharma Ji, and her learnings were refurbished by attending sessions at Vipassana each year from the last 5 years. Initially, she started with meditation sessions for small groups of 15 people at a time at her house. The sessions changed the outlook and lives of people who attended, and then more and more people joined hands and took the drive forward.
मेडिटेशन को हिंदी में बोलते हैं ध्यान, और ध्यान सब जगह से हटाकर सिर्फ अपने आप को देखना का मतलब है मेडिटेशन. Till we keep on seeing all the things around us, till then we are into stress, we are into anxiety, we are into unhappiness. क्योंकि आसान से आसान है इस जीवन में दूसरे का कर्म देखना, what the other person is doing, और मुश्किल से मुश्किल है खुद को देखना.
The fusion of Dhyan and Gyan gave rise to Smiles, and then Smiles went on spreading across the country. Starting from one house, it went from house to house on each Monday to bring positivity around the Tri-City, and then to the whole state by reaching Gobindgarh, Amritsar and Ludhiana. Thereon from state to state, and then to metros like Delhi, Mumbai and Bengaluru. Smiles did not just remain to one age group, rather, it spread across all ages, from 10 to 16 being the Boundless Smiles group, and the 16 to 30 being the Love You Zindagi, and immensely to more than 1,000 people through the main group called Smiles. It is impacting not just the hundreds and thousands of people we are mentioning, but their families and extended families by bringing a change and by bringing a smile and multiplying the smiles.
I started doing meditation at night before sleeping, and now I've got addicted to it, and I can't sleep without meditation. Also, I would like to thank Monica auntie.
Smiles have brought miraculous changes in the lives of the people by improving their health, Many have been cured from diseases like diabetes, migraines, arthritis by loving themselves and loving the organs which were affected. For many, the surgeries were no more required, and for many, the medicine intake drastically reduced. A few months back, I had a little pain and a lump in my throat, for which I went to the doctor, and I was detected with a stone in the salivary gland, the submandibular salivary gland, which is a very rare condition to have a stone in the salivary gland. So when I met the doctor, he said the only way to remove it will be through surgery. I did get scared for once, but the moment I came home, I was very, very positive that I will not have to undergo the surgery. I practiced my meditation, and I only visualized that there was a problem in my throat which has been resolved, and I'm thanking the universe for it. And you will not believe it, within 2 days the stone came out automatically. The doctor too was surprised. So this is the magic of meditation. Special thanks to Monica Chachi. Along with the Gyan and Dhyan techniques, Smiles also propagated the basic environmental issues to save our Mother Earth by using earthen pots, mitti ki matki, for cooking food, using cloth bags instead of plastic bags, planting medicinal plants for easy availability of them at home, and by reducing, reusing, and recycling the waste of the home by explaining the waste management techniques. These above factors also play a major role in keeping us in good health. Erasing all the stress of exams and fears or phobias of height, flight, and loneliness, life has become beautiful by giving us an attitude of let go and let's go.
I was so scared to take the flights, and about 5 years back, I was saying no to any plan of trip abroad or something like that. And anyone will make a plan in the family, and I said, no, I'm not going, I'm not taking a flight. That was 5 years back. And this time, I said, I am, and Monica told me, tell me when you take a flight. And friends, I did take a flight, not once, but twice. I went to Jodhpur and then I went to Dubai. And I can tell you, the first biggest change that came in me was when a trip was being planned. And I said, yes, we will go. I can take all lifts now.
Relationships improved for many after understanding that the script of our lives is written by us. We have chosen to live with the people we live, and we have chosen all the situations we are in. We are the script writers of our own lives.
क्योंकि मैं हर टाइम रोती रहती थी, तो फिर उन्होंने बोला कि मुस्कान रखा है आपका नाम, अब आप नहीं रोंगी. बट इतना बड़ा दुख था कि आई लॉस्ट माय हस्बैंड 4 years बैक. सो स्माइल सेशन से आके मैंने सीखा कि आप जितना दुखों की और जितना भी हम दुखों को ज़्यादा सोचते हैं, उतने हमारे दुख और बढ़ते जाते हैं. उस सोल को हमने ब्लेस करना है, जो सोल चली गई है उसको हमने ब्लेस करना है. और जो हमारे पास खुशियाँ हैं, बच्चे हैं, ग्रैंड डॉटर्स हैं, उनको ब्लेस करना है. हमने खुशियों को देखें तो खुशियाँ हमारी बढ़ती चली जाएंगी. सो आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट, मोनिका.
By implementing the lessons learnt at Smile, we imbibe the positive thinking. As the law of meditation rightly says, positive attracts positive. While meditating, we have also learnt to manifest our desires and rewrite our karmas with constant positivity and persistently affirming the things we have from things we will have in life. This way, we can improve our financial matters in life by manifesting. Don't let the negatives trap you. Give way to positivity, and that would widen your smile and multiply the smiles around you.
Recently, it happened कि मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है जिसको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा माल तो नहीं बेचता था, बट उसको मैं माल बेचना चाहता था. एंड 4-5 महीने हो गए थे कि वो मेरे से माल खरीद नहीं रहा था. सो वन डे आई हैड अ फाइनल मीटिंग विद हिम, एंड पहले तो वो मिलने को भी तैयार नहीं था, पर जिस फाइनली मैं उससे मिलने जाने वाला था तो मैंने उसके पूरे ऑफिस को पिंक एनर्जी से भर दिया. आई स्टार्टेड इमेजिनिंग दिस ऑफिस इज पिंक कलर. आई स्टार्टेड इवन थिंकिंग कि उसकी शर्ट भी पिंक है. आई स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग हिम सो मच ऑफ एनर्जी, एंड आई स्टार्टेड सेइंग टू माई सेल्फ कि यस, ये मेरा माल खरीदेगा ही खरीदेगा, एंड कि मैं इसको आज माल बेच के आऊँगा ही. एंड I was surprised. Initially, the meeting started with little bit of not too much of comfort, but eventually meeting landed up in a great agreement between both of us. Though he's not buying big quantities with me right now, from me right now, but I'm very hopeful that sooner he's going to buy big quantities and we are going to do big business. So I think attitude building, which we have learned from Smiles, should be the key to success.
Society in which we live plays a major role in our lives, and Smiles has always been at service to the NGO for small children, orphanages for girls, and old age homes. The most unique thing that we learn here at Smiles is connecting each spiritual, cultural, and traditional thing with scientific logics. As per the science of meditation, the journey of life is not ritual but spiritual. It's not superstitious but superconscious. Our life coach, Mrs. Singhal, strongly believes that human body is a uniquely designed gadget with all the self-healing powers within it. So, she wants us to activate these powers. She always wants us to read our own gadget, which is our own body, and make the best of it. Learn the science, enjoy the silence.
Smiles has brought science into spirituality and spirituality into science, and that is the most beautiful part, because now all the customs and traditions जिसको हम थोड़ा सा पहले forcefully करते थे, now we know the true essence of it.
Our life coach is a beautiful orator, therefore making each session very lively. No doubt that each session basically revolves around meditation, but she does add a splash of music and activity to keep one and all engrossed at any given time. The motto of Smiles, कोई मन से भी अपंग ना रहे, कोई तन से भी अपंग ना रहे. Mrs. Singhal is not charging anything for these sessions. She conducts across the country, and whatever funds are donated in these sessions by attendees are used for the artificial limb camps that are being organized in the various parts of the city. To conclude, worship the temple that is your body by meditating each day along with learning the gyan of good living, and be the great script writer of your own future. Change your own destiny by your deeds and conquer the world by knowing the universe within you.
नए रंगों से चल दुनिया भर दे, जहाँ तन मन से न कोई अपंग हो. स्माइल्स को अपने छूने दे अंबर, जैसे हवा में एक पतंग उड़ रही हो. तू बदले तो ही बदले ज़माना, औरों से पहले खुद को ये समझाना. स्माइल करके तो देखो. हरिओम.